Wall clocks come in various styles, each with unique characteristics that cater to different tastes. Traditional clocks may feature ornate wooden cases and classic Roman numerals, while contemporary designs often embrace sleek lines and bold colors. Materials also play a significant role. Metal, wood, glass, and even recycled materials can be used to create stunning timepieces. This diversity allows for endless customization, enabling individuals to choose clocks that complement their existing decor or serve as a statement piece that draws attention. In many cultures, wall clocks carry symbolic meanings beyond their practical use. For example, in some Eastern traditions, clocks are seen as a representation of the passage of time and are often incorporated into designs that reflect harmony and balance. In contrast, Western cultures might focus on innovation and modernity, showcasing clocks that feature cutting-edge technology or avant-garde designs. This cultural significance adds depth to wall clock art, making them a fascinating topic of discussion and appreciation. Ultimately, wall clock art exemplifies the intersection of function and aesthetics. They challenge the perception of utilitarian objects by merging practicality with artistic vision. As they hang on walls, they invite viewers to appreciate not just the time displayed, but also the creativity and craftsmanship behind each piece. Whether a simple design or a complex installation, wall clocks remind us that even the most ordinary aspects of life can be transformed into extraordinary works of art.